How to install Fabric for Minecraft 1 21.7. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll quickly show you how to set up Fabric for Minecraft 1 21.7. If this helps, please like and subscribe. Fabric is a mod loader that lets you run lots of great mods. To start, close Minecraft. Then grab the Fabric installer and the Fabric API from the official Fabric.net site. Just be sure you pick the versions for 21.7. If you want extra mods like Waystones, download those too, making sure they're for Fabric and your Minecraft version. Run the Fabric installer, choose 21.7 and let it install. Then open your Minecraft launcher, select the Fabric profile, and create a mods folder in your Minecraft directory if you don't already have one. Drop the Fabric API and your mods into that folder. Launch the game using the Fabric profile and you'll see your mods ready to go. That's it. Enjoy your mods and better performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides.